just carried him in. I've just carried him in. And the girl is giving him chicken and he's eating. So he's been sitting out there under the rain. Even though he's hungry and cold, look at his coat. He's wet, he's drenched, but he won't come in. Oh, gosh. This cat, I don't really know what you want. Or maybe you don't know what you want. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Snowy, enjoy your chicken, eh? Enjoy your piece of chicken. Maybe there's a slight piece of heartbeat in it. Or is he losing his teeth?